So, I am back in Macau after 4 years. 4 years, it's been time. I'm back here in Macau, and I am trying to get this quick because I got a plane to catch, and I want to take a better picture. And there's something here that I just want to take a picture of this, go to the ruins of St. Paul and the Largo do Senado. But last time it was kind of rushed and I didn't have a GoPro that time, so we will see what's up. Again, here back in Macau, great-grandfather's homeland. Yes, he was Macanese, and it's been quite the trip because I took the bus here and I didn't want to. I tried the taxi, but then the taxi driver was asking for 500 patakas, and that's a ripoff. So I decided to take the bus, which was only 6 patakas, and yeah, I got dropped off. Now I'm walking, and we'll see what's up.